अम्मा दिन्नी मानी मिठी मिठी मानी बाबा बुसरिया वारी मानी अम्मा दिन्नी मानी याद जीवो जानी बुसरिया खाबे मिठड़ी पंजी प्रेम कहानी याद जटे अचे तो मन मोरो मचे तो Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Zohaib Chanjio. Hope everybody is fine. Well, today I'm going to share my experience and the making of my song Peso Ladum Pattata. Before that, I would like to thank all of my friends who really supported me. And this was really a nice experience for me because I myself learned a lot from this project, as I have been learning from my other projects as well. आज मैं जिको को जो भी आया पानी audience जे करे आया तां जे करे आया तां जी support जे करे आया. This support makes me very strong because this is a natural thing when a person gets appreciation and gets support from the fans, and he always tries to do more and more and more. Inshallah, I'm not going to disappoint you. I'm also going to do something different. The lyrics were written by me and I've composed the song and I have sung the song and I've also directed it myself. Nomi Ali has given the music to this song. He's really a good music producer, one of my favorite music producers. No doubt, he's really awesome. For dressing, what should be the dressing actually? I was only the person who was managing each and everything. So the dressing, I decided I just got the shirts, market mama, plain white color t-shirts right here, plain black color shorts right here. And after that, I just got the material, the sheets right here. Different card sheets and glues and everything, a lot of stationery. And after that, I made myself song में लिखूँगा शीरीज़ के shirts बात line उनमें there's a face over the shirt. Face tell there are eyes, nose and very large tail coming out. So all the props were made by me. Those shirts, those trousers, each and everything was made by me actually. So guys, it's a time to see some of the clips during the preparation, how I prepared all the props and other things. So watch it, we just come back. Viewers, today is the last day of the preparation of my song and I have been very tired because I have been working for many days. Even a single day I was not free. So you can see now down, these are the shirts that I'm making to make them wear. Well, you can see the best material also, and I have made all the props myself. And as I told you, see, look like this one. I've made these faces by applying some card sheets through a glue stick, and I'm successful. What I wanted to make, I have made it. Let's see what happens tonight. Well, tonight is the last night that we are going to make practice, and I'll let you know about that. सैकड़ों टाइम रखियो सी ऑन डेली बेसिस शूट का तकरीबन 3 खां 4 ॾींहं पहिरीं असां प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट कयोसीं. मां शीदन खे ॿुधाए छॾियो एक्चुअली जेके कैरेक्टर्स जंहिं मुंहिंजे सॉन्ग में परफॉर्म कयो आहे ऑलरेडी उन्हनि खे टाइम ॿुधायो वियो आहे. वेल दिस इज़ द टाइम ऑन डेली बेसिस यू हैव टू कम टू द गिवन प्लेसिस द प्लेस आई टोल्ड देम आई मीन माई फ्लैट. त डेली तकरीबन रात जे टाइम हू सभु कलेक्ट थी करे मुंहिंजे घर ईंदा हुया. ऐं हीअर we used to make practices. In the beginning actually there was problem in their expressions and in their moves. There was problem, but because they were maybe shy, it was their first time coming in front of television, so they were very getting shy. So it was my work to boost them up, to bring them in their comfort zone, because असांजो कमु हूंदो आहे उन्हनि खे पंहिंजे comfort zone में आणियो. जेसिताईं असां उन्हनि खे comfort zone में नथा आणियूं, we cannot get good results. So उनके comfort zone में आने after that, on very first day they did not do better, but on second day they started giving very nice expressions and other things. They जेका असांजी outdoor shoot हुई उहा असांजी day जे time आहे. उते तमाम तमाम मज़ो आयो आउटडोर शूट में स्पेशली उते हिकिड़ो घोड़े वारो सीन हुयो चल मेरे नासी घोड़े चल मेरे नासी घोड़े हिंदुस्तान त हू जॾहिं सीन थिए पियो रोड ते अगेन एंड अगेन यू नो पीपल वर क्रॉसिंग देयर कार्स वर गोइंग फ्रॉम देयर काफ़ी गाड़ियूं तो वञनि पियूं यानी पीपल वर देयर द मॉर्निंग एक्चुअली वी थॉट सुबुह जे टाइम कोई बि न हूंदो बट द रोड वॉज फुल ऑफ पीपल ऐं तक़रीबन द पीपल सराउंडेड अस देयर when that scene was going on chal mere nasi ghode hindustan actually everybody was enjoying there the character himself was enjoying I was enjoying a lot and we were you know laughing there at the road so this was very great असांजो इंडोर पार्क हुयो इंडोर पार्क में मां ऑलरेडी पहिरीं विज़िट करे छॾियो हुयो स्पेशली द एरिया जिते LED लॻियल हुई LED उहो मां ऑलरेडी ॾिसी छॾियो तो उन जे हिसाब सां उन एंगल सां असां आउटडोर में बि हिकिड़ो शॉट वठी छॾियो ऐं सॉन्ग में हिकिड़ो सीन आहे जंहिंमें द characters are on their elbows and arms they are lying on their arms and elbows knees and legs they're taking out their hips and they're moving their hips now this was really nice we enjoyed a lot that move and actually it looked different than other songs as well अच्छा another thing हिकिड़ो ॿियो सॉन्ग में हिकिड़ो ॿियो शॉट जो सीन हुयो जंहिंमें कैरेक्टर्स जेके बालकनी ते बीठा हुया I was also with them in the balcony. We were just dancing over there. So at once an idea came into my mind. Why shouldn't you go out of the balcony? Because there was a place out of the balcony. When the balcony je bahar mein bhi jagah hui bhi hai, so I asked them to go. Jare ma panji team ka pucho, can you go out of the balcony? They said yes, we can go. The who easily balcony je bahari side aa raha and they just started moving. I was very amazed. How they just jumped out of how they just jumped out of the balcony and they were moving over there so this was really great and the shot was awesome for me well guys now it's the time to see some of the shots during our shooting hope you'll enjoy that just go watch and we just come back thank you very much see and then we are coming back
पैसे तुम खा गाह दिलों में खे मिठी मानी बाबा बुसरिया वारी मानी अम्मा दिनी मानी याद चीज जानी बुसरिया खावे मिठाई पंजी प्रेम कहानी अम्मा दिनी मानी मिठी मिठी मानी बाबा बुसरिया वारी मानी अम्मा दिनी मानी याद चीज जानी बुसरिया खावे मिठड़ी पंजी प्रेम कहानी याद जटे अचे तो मन मोरो मचे तो
इसको पीसी मारा तो वाला बाकी तो अहिड़ियूं काफ़ी सारियूं शयूं आहिनि जेके तमामु मेमोरेबल आहिनि सॉन्ग में and I can never forget this shoot especially I can never forget the shoot there are a lot of things each and every moment was precious for me and I can never forget the team members all the crew in the song especially my cameraman Parvez Ali Songo really nice DOP he has been doing really great work and I want to thank also makeup artist Asif Magzi he also did a really great job I also want to thank my Shidis who worked with me they really did a wonderful job they really did what I thought they really did what was the requirement of the song they really did that and this was all about the experience of Peso Ladhum Pattata and hope everybody liked this. I personally enjoyed it because I'm satisfied. I have satisfaction this time, but I thought I would share that. So thank you very much guys for being with me, and if you want to know more about my work, more about me, subscribe to my channel Zohaib Chandhi Official for my latest updates and more about my work. Thank you very much guys. See you very soon because I'm bringing another project very soon to you. Hope you will also enjoy that. Allah Hafiz and bye.